Hey guys, Toys Academy here. Today we have
Ugly's Pet Shop.
we have 2 packs of Ugly's Pet Shop Pet Store. Collect and stack your gross homes. It makes gross sounds and it comes with the exclusive Manic Monkey.
And they are both the same.
Right. All we have to do is push them down and make gross sounds. And we can build the tallest, noisiest pet store. Grrr.
And we have Series 1 Ugly Pet 8-pack. And it comes with 2 blind bags. And I hope we find also rare sticky pets.
And there are 101 pets to collect.
Or we can find the limited edition Rusty Pets. Or we could also find a surprise metallic poop inside. Let's open them up. First, we're going to open the pet store. Time to open the Ugly Pet 8-pack.
This is the collector's guide. Okay, first we have
Dobby Doberman, and this is a common.
he's under the
Slimiest. He's slimy, not really. But he feels a little, not really that hard.
what's in his mouth? Why it's green?
Maybe that's like his saliva thing.
Oh.
And it turns a little green to make it more gross. Slimy. Okay.
Let's put it in the pet store.
Yeah. Okay. There he goes. Okay.
The next one is
This is stuffed Stuffy, and in his mouth is a red pillow,
he's under the smelliest.
and he is a common too.
Okay.
Okay, so they try to smell him. Is he smelly? Or
Oops! The Manic Monkey down he goes.
it's okay. He can sleep.
Let's
Think he's
put inside the
lazy.
pet store.
Okay. There he is. That's funny. Okay. Next one is. This is Cheesy Chinchilla, and that's the hairiest, and this is a rare. First rare.
Yeah, our first rare.
Look at that hair. They feel not hard. Like, I thought they're supposed to be much more crazy or something.
Robbery.
Oh yeah, they're both.
And we'll put it on the top of the roof. The next one is
Oh, this is Ugly Bull Terrier. And this is a bear.
And they're the smelliest.
Yeah.
And he's biting I think it's just a bone.
Yeah, it's a bone. And like that saliva, green saliva thing on his mouth too.
Yeah. I like his pink nose.
Gucci, Gucci.
And he will be with Cheesy Chinchilla on the rooftop.
Yeah.
The next one, we have
Horrid Hamster. I think I'm pronouncing it right. And this is a common.
under the hairiest.
Okay. Look at that hair.
Go to the other pet store.
This is Vile, and it's under the grossest. And this is a where? Look at that mouth.
Yeah, what's that blue thing?
I think that's a tongue.
Oh,
And I don't know what is inside that mouth. Look at that yellow stuff.
I know.
Ugh.
There he goes.
Yep. Let's push. Let's see what's inside.
Oops.
Oh my gosh, that's loud. Now we're gonna open the first blind bag. Okay. I'm gonna try. Oh,
Who's gonna be?
I don't know. What? Oh my gosh.
Is that a tiara?
It's like a princess.
Yeah, like a princess.
Except the mouth. Look at that mouth.
Yes.
And this is Naughty Corgi.
She's a common.
Yeah. And the grossest. You can tell because look at that mouth. I wonder what that is.
It's a poop. Oh no.
It's not poop.
Okay, up on the roof.
Okay. Now I'm going to open the second blind bag. This is like a big one. Okay, I think that's good. What in the world is this? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, this is very...
It's the under the stickiest here.
Oh, it's the stickiest. Oh yeah, it's a little sticky. And it's also squeezy.
Oh.
And this is Ugly. Oh, it's an ultra wear. Ah, screens. And
Up you go.
yep. I didn't know that we had the last one. And I feel squishy thing. I wonder what it is. It's small.
Okay, let's see. What's inside?
Okay. Wait. What is this going to be? Oh no. What is this? Ah, it's green. It's very small. Ah, it's poop.
It's a green color poop.
It's a sticky poop.
One.
It's over here.
Yeah.
Look at that poopy. It's
Yeah.
squeezy too. Sticky poop. Yeah, it's
Let me-
sticky on me. You feel it? It's really sticky.
Yeah, it's sticky. Where can we put this?
Hmm.
Where do you want? Up in the roof or on the side or with...
Put on the roof.
Okay.
Pretend that's like the dog. You know, like the dog. The Ugly pooped on the roof.
Yeah.
They're ugly, but they're kind of cute. And gross. That's a burp sound.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching and watch out for more videos.